Barbecuing in the backyard one more time. Y'all see that thing smoking? Yes, sir. See that thing smoking? That's a real barbecue. Got the little tent set up. Got the lemon tree right here. Got the apple tree over there. We ain't got that much yard, but hey, this was called backyard barbecuing. We'll get on down out here in the sun so y'all can really see this thing smoke. That's my grill doing what it do. Yes, sir. Doing what it do. Yes, sir. Out here in the backyard, chilling one time, getting it in. Ooh, that smells so good. Let's see what's on here. Oh, yeah. Can't see nothing but all the smoke. There you go. Few little things. It ain't much, but hey, something to do. You feel me? Yes, sir. Backyard barbecuing on a Friday. It's a good Friday. That's what we do. Yes, sir. It's a bad grill, boy. Barbecue on Friday. Yes, sir.